How to sign out Google account from all devices. Hey guys, so we can do this at the Safari app. So I'm just going to open this, or you can also do this in the Google app or any apps that are related to Google. So I'm just going to go to Safari and go to the URL of google.com. So just type in that search bar and you should be at this page. Now from here, click on your profile icon at the top right. Make sure you have signed in and click on manage your Google account right here. Let's wait for this to load. And as you can see, there are different tabs at the top. So we're going to the security tab. So tap on security right here. And let's scroll down a bit and you should be able to see this section that says your devices. So these are all the devices where you are signed in with this Google account. Now click on manage all devices so we can see all the devices where we have logged into this account. For example, if you want to sign out of your account from all these devices, you have to do it one by one. So for example, I want to log out of my account on this device. So I'm just going to click on it and click on sign out right here. So you can do that to all the other devices like that. So just tap on the device and click on sign out right here. So that is how you can basically sign out Google account from all devices. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.